नमस्कार गोंयकारांनो, हांव सरफराज. आयज एक न्यूजाचेर व्हायरल वयता पोस्ट that Sarfraz has been resigned from Aam Aadmi Party. I'm going to tell all the Goans and who are my friends and all that I have not resigned from the Aam Aadmi Party. I'm still intact with the party as a vice president of minority, and there is no question of leaving Aam Aadmi Party, because Aam Aadmi Party was the only one who has supported me in Corona pandemic. And there is only one thing that I can say, that Aam Aadmi Party is doing really well, and I'm happy with Aam Aadmi Party, and there is no question of leaving Aam Aadmi Party till now. So in future, I just wanted to say that whatever in the media it's viral and all that I have resigned. I have not resigned. I'm still in the party. So I'm here to clarify once again that I have not resigned from the party. I'm still intact, and I'm going to work as a Aam Aadmi Party cadet in the future also. Thank you. Dev Bare Karu.